Hello, I'm Andrew Osindo, a software developer at Zone 01 Kisumu. I've been at Zone 01 for a year now, studying about software development, full stack development actually, from front-end to back-end and integrating web systems efficiently. I've used languages such as Go, JavaScript, SQL, Python, and frameworks such as Django, Next.js with React libraries to create web application and even back-end development. So throughout the time which I've been here, I've learned how to collaborate with people using version control systems such as Git and GitHub to collaborate with my fellow apprentices and to do work efficiently. Also, we have used panels such as Miro to share our work which we are doing and our thought process. Now, collaboration is efficient when working together, and that's one thing which I've mastered through the time. I've worked on such projects which are in the module which help me to grow my skills better, and even projects which are outside the module which help me to be better and also give back to the community. Now, from outside the module, I've done two projects, one Heal and another one SolarShare. Now, Heal is a therapy providing platform which is supposed to provide therapy to survivors from sexual gender-based violence. It leverages on technology such as AI, VR, and AR. Now, SolarShare is supposed to enable people who have surplus solar energy to be able to share it with others. In the future, I am looking forward to build such projects and more projects which can impact the community positively and provide change. I am looking forward to do this by working with like-minded people who can help me be better for myself and also to change the community and change everything as usual. You can check out my progress on GitHub, Andrew Osindo, or you can check out what I'm doing on LinkedIn, Andrew Osindo. Also, on YouTube, I talk about issues programming, where I tackle day-to-day problems using programming languages which I'm comfortable with. Thank you.